It is Real Estate FriYAY with our real estate expert, Jennifer Hammond, and we are at a smart home on Davis Island. Joining us now, of course, is Jennifer Hammond. Always good to see you.
Yay!
And we have Samantha VanSteenburg, an interior designer, joining us as well. Good to see you, too.
Good morning.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about how beautiful the home is in just a second, but I want to talk about what is a smart home exactly.
Well, it's fun because a smart home makes the home have technology, and that technology makes it easier to use. So the ease of use in a house is also very important for somebody who might be getting a little bit older. Even I would say the use of technology in my home is really, really important, but also for somebody who might be facing a disability. This kind of technology makes a smart home, I want to say a happy home, a yay home. You want that kind of technology.
And that integrated technology also makes that ease.
And so let's talk about integrated. So integrated means that it's all in one place. Because so often somebody might find, oh, they want a smart speaker or they want some other smart element, but they all don't work together. And one of the things is that most people are a little bit afraid of technology. So especially as we get a little bit older, we're like, oh no, it's something new to learn. But when you have it so that it's very easy, you can just have a button, you can push a couple little buttons and you can control whether it's the lighting, the sound, whatever it is. But also the other thing that's really, really important is that it's voice activated. So that if you just want to be able to speak, you can go ahead and activate it in one central remote control. So it's not 17 different ones that are, this one controls the light, this one controls the sound. That is something that makes it integrated and makes it a smart home and a happy, yay, home.
And convenient, so convenient. But when you're thinking technology, you're thinking there's got to be wires or cables or something everywhere. But that's where Samantha comes in, because this home was pre-wired. You don't see a single wire anywhere.
No, you don't see anything. It's concealed technology. And that's where, of course, as an interior designer, that's the best part for me. So you have all the technology you want, but you don't see the wires. Your TV looks like a picture frame. Your subwoofer in the ceiling, and it's concealed. You can't even see it.
Which makes it beautiful. You're not seeing all of those black cables everywhere.
Exactly.
But that's not the case on the exterior, though. Talk about that a little bit.
Yes, so purposefully, they did not put the security cameras to be hidden. They made them so that they're visible to be a deterrent. But everything else is so integrated that with a single switch, they can turn on the lights to walk down the steps. Everything is all together and it's all smart.
And as an interior designer going through a home and thinking of all of those things, you got to get in there early.
Oh yes, that's the best time to get in. Get in, do the pre-wiring. That way it's simplified and you're not worrying about trying to do that later and putting it into the home later when you've already got the drywall up and everything. Everything is all in one place.
Yes, absolutely beautiful and very convenient. And of course, we can't let you go without talking about Jennifer having a free gift for you.
I always love to have a free gift. So especially if you have a smart home, you want to make sure that you highlight those when you're selling your home, especially after you spend all that time and money getting it all coordinated. So my free gift is a book, propertysellingtips.com. So just go to propertysellingtips.com and get your free book.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, and for bringing us to this gorgeous home and how cool it actually is. Thank you. Always good to see you as well. Thank you so much.
Good to see you too.